Yeah, what's poppin', you guys? Sizzle here, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install SizzylHUD in Team Fortress 2. It's a pretty simple process. It'll be like 2 seconds to actually run through it. Just real quick, I want to show you that it's currently not installed so that you can see that the install link actually worked and actually did something. But yeah, this initial boot though, even though it doesn't have my custom HUD installed, it does have all the mods I use installed. So that's stuff like the animated background and a higher quality character on the main menu screen. And if you want stuff like that, I'll have a video linked in the description on how to install all the mods I use, so you can have like a really cool looking main menu like this. But yeah, you can see this is stock TF2. We got like our little ad section, we got our friends list. If we go to like our loadout thing, we can only move left and right, you can't do anything crazy. And to change that, to go install the custom HUD, it's pretty simple. Go to your browser of choice, go to the link in the description, or just type this in your thing. Once you're at the SizzylHUD GitHub thing, just hit this green code button, then hit download zip, and it'll download a zip file. It's like 20 megabytes or something. And as soon as that's done, I'm going to drag it onto the desktop. You don't have to do that. From here, make sure you go and extract it, right? So just like that. And once you've extracted it, we're going to check something real quick. Double click to open it. And make sure that there's not a SizzylHUD in here. Sometimes, for some reason, it'll install stuff to like another SizzylHUD main folder in here, and then all the actual files here will be in that folder when you extract it. Just double check that that's not the case. If it is the case, all you have to do is drag that folder out on its own, just like that, and then all the files will be there. From here, rename this folder to SizzylHUD, and make sure it's all lowercase, especially if you're on Linux. On Windows, this doesn't really matter. But if you're on Linux or Mac, if it's not all lowercase, it can break and it won't work. So make sure you do that. From here, go back to Steam, go to your library, go to TF2, right-click it, hit Properties, go to Installed Files, hit Browse. And from here, you'll be in your Team Fortress 2 folder, which will look something like this. Probably will have a lot less folders and other stuff, because that's all the mods I use. But from here, just go into TF, and then Custom. Take that SizzylHUD folder, drag it directly into here, and as soon as you got it in there and it's all good to go, all you gotta do is boot the game, and you should have SizzylHUD installed. It should be up and running, should be good to go. And yeah, once it loads us in, you should see that it's all ready, it's all working, and your game will look much nicer. Including in-game, not just the menu. But I'm only showing up the menu in this video because it's just quicker, and then the video is like 2 minutes instead of like 5. It's assuming we ever load in. But you can see, there we go, toggleable friends list, we got our items, we got the higher quality stuff, we can move them around, and everything's all nice and beautiful. With that being said, hope y'all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day.